Hi, Tweetie here. We have links down in the description and several different playlists that you may be interested in. You do not have to become best buddies with your neighbors, but you should at least know them, have a nodding acquaintance, have spoken with them a few times, because there's a huge psychological difference between an acquaintance, which is one that you just nod at, or a total stranger that you don't even do that with, and a neighbor who can look out for you or see what's going on or pay attention to what's up and down the street. And if you visit your neighbors at least a few times over a year or two, they're more likely to help you in an emergency and far less likely to attack you if they think that you have something that they want. Most people do not turn on friends. They will go do into a total stranger before they will knock down a friend or an acquaintance to be able to get food or water. So try thinking about, maybe it could be the anniversary that you moved into the place you're living, and take a basket of cookies or little bags of candy or whatever, some vegetables from your garden, anything, or a thank you card for being a nice neighbor, and go around to everyone that you can see from your front, back, and side doors. Let them know that you appreciate them and that it's nice to be living where you're at. We could bring friendship back now that we're all staying home together. If you like what I had to say, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more. Angels all around.